All right, so here we are, round two. All right, not sweeping up that trash again. Round two. They finna come get it. Stay tuned in. Here they come. And then the parking lot gonna be clean in in less than 30 minutes. Parking lot gonna be clean. It's like they get the small ones first. Noodle wrapped around dude beak. He can't even get it off his beak. Alright, there's a lot of birds. Y'all see it. They see that shit from sky view. They flying down. You can do it. Step outside. Grab some noodles at the cabinet. Cook them real quick. Step outside.